Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily change a crosshair color in Battlefield 2042. So what you want to do is, when you're going to be in Battlefield 22, go next to the quit, you're going to have options. Right here you're going to have display, and when you're going to be in display you want to click here on a crosshair. Now when you're going to click on a crosshair, you're going to find crosshair color right here. You want to click on it, and then you can easily change that. So you're going to click on it and you got it. So that's pretty much it. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And you know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah, have a great day guys, and goodbye. Write it down in comments that it helped you. Also like this video. Again, you go escape, options, and display crosshair and crosshair color right here. And you switch that. See ya.